Tomorrow, Marion County and Indianapolis leaders will give an update to their COVID-19 response, which could mean changes.
Yeah, a mask mandate is still in place at this hour in Marion County. And now, nearly a week after the CDC said fully vaccinated people can go maskless in public, there are still some questions. WRTV's Cornelius Hocker shows conflicting rules and recommendations are not just confusing for the public, they're impacting businesses and their employees as well.
Here in downtown Indy, we've seen a mix of people. Some are wearing masks, some aren't. But the people who work down here are still wearing masks, so we came down here to ask them why.
We are still going to be required to wear masks as far as I know, but I also probably still would be anyway.
Ashton Henderson and Nathan Payne are like a lot of workers in the service industry, following local guidance on mask wearing in their businesses and running into confused customers.
We have to follow district rules, and it's easier to go by this what the city's doing, you know.
Some people have definitely been confused. We've had more than one customer ask about it and been like, well, you know, the CDC says you don't need that anymore.
But as of right now, Marion County is still requiring businesses to enforce mask wearing. The CDC, despite saying people who are fully vaccinated don't have to wear a mask in public, allows local cities and counties to establish their own ordinances. If anything changes, Nathan says businesses that are locally owned will have a much quicker time adapting, unlike bigger companies.
We kind of have to basically hear from another source, whereas a lot of these places are making their own choices for themselves.
As people who see hundreds of customers every day, Ashton and Nathan are hoping for one thing, as most mask requirements changes apply to those who are fully vaccinated.
Hope they're being honest, you know, hope they're being real about it. It's still a real thing. We're doing our part, and just hope they're doing theirs.
In downtown Indy, Cornelius Hocker, WRTV.
Marion County's COVID-19 update is tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. You can watch it live and find the latest on the WRTV.com. Any updated health orders would have to be approved by the City County Council if they're stricter than the state's current guidelines.